Now we have count a function. Count a function is similar to count function. Now we will be seeing how it is different from count function and how it works. So count a function counts the number of rows in the specified column that contains non-blank values, which is similar to count function, right? Now the syntax is count a, and inside the parameters we use to pass the column, and this column is the column that contains the values that are to be counted. It returns the count as the whole number, and when the function does not find any rows to be counted, then it returns blank. That means if we have no data into that column, then it will return blank. Count count a function support boolean data types also. That means if we have true or false values as the data in the column, then count a function will be supporting that, but count function doesn't support. That's the basic and the very first difference between count and count a function. This function is not supported for use in direct query mode when it is used in calculated columns or RLS rules, right? So, hope you understand the difference between count and count a function. And the difference is count function doesn't support the Boolean data types, but count a function support Boolean data types also. Now let's see practically how we can use count a function. So I am into my Power BI desktop. So here I have created one DAX specific table. Here I have created date, all the calculations, right? And I have data table as orders table. So I have already attached the tutorial in the description on how to create DAX or calculation specific separate table, right? So here I'll be creating one measure into this table, and inside this I'll be using count a function, and we will be counting the measure name will be count a, and the count of product IDs, right? How many product IDs we have, so we will be counting that. So here, as it does not rectify the duplicate values, it will be including all the rows irrespective of duplicates, so we will be getting the value accordingly. So here I'll getting count a function. Once we take the function name here, it shows me the syntax of that column or the function, and the definition of that function, right? So here we need to take the name, column name. So here I'll be taking product ID, right? So this way we need to create. If I press enter or click on this green tick, so this green tick is for commit. So that means we are committing this measure. Now I have to create one card, and will be displaying the value of this function, count a function, and the value is 994. The the value is 9994. So this is the value I was expecting. Also I can just copy the formatting from this uh, card to this card, right? So this is my value. This was all about my counter function. Also I have this playlist of this DAX specific to DAX, right? You can go to this playlist, right? And you can learn DAX from scratch and to advance. And there will be many more videos coming related to DAX functions. So you can just save this playlist so that you will be not missing any kind of DAX functions.